Optical connector assembly operations require large equipment such as an electric furnace and a polisher. Thus, efforts have been made to employ a larger number of optical fibers to reduce cost and time. How can we assemble optical connectors more quickly and easily, one connector at a time? Now, Photonics Laboratories has developed an assembly kit that responds to these demands. Let's try assembling an optical connector. First, we place a few drops of adhesive on the adhesive coating vessel. Then, we insert the ferrule to the ferrule holder. With this design, the required amount of adhesive adheres to the ferrule in exact proportion. This is the fiber insertion guide. It has a groove to align the axis of the optical fiber and the ferrule. The fiber insertion guide is then placed on the ferrule holder. Next, we place the curing agent on the optical fiber. Then, the optical fiber is inserted into the fiber insertion guide. Hardening takes only 1 minute. A small window enables you to confirm the position of the optical fiber tip. During this time, preparations are made for the portable high-speed polisher. As the polisher can operate on dry cell batteries, it can be used even if there are no electrical outlets. First, we conduct fiber machining for 10 seconds. Then, the ferrule end plane conducts hemispherical shaping for 50 seconds. Polishing to a mirror-like finish lasts for 30 seconds. Finally, we fit the housing into the ferrule. The MU connector is now complete. The entire assembly takes a mere 5 minutes, or about 1/10 that of the work time. Optical characteristics and reliability far surpass those of conventional methods. In this way, optical connectors can be assembled by anyone, anywhere. This technology greatly facilitates optical fiber installations, ensuring the precise delivery of optical signals.